Welcome to our kitchen, where today we're giving your favorite recipes a healthy makeover, and I'm thrilled to share some delicious and nutritious alternatives with you. We all have those go-to recipes that are packed with flavor but not so great for our health. But fear not, with a few simple swaps and tweaks, we can transform them into wholesome meals that nourish our bodies and satisfy our taste buds. Let's start with everyone's favorite comfort food, macaroni and cheese. Instead of heavy cream and processed cheese, we're using cauliflower and nutritional yeast to create a creamy, cheesy sauce that's just as indulgent, but much healthier. Next up, let's tackle a classic dessert chocolate chip cookies. By swapping out refined flour for almond flour and reducing the sugar content with natural sweeteners like maple syrup or dates, we can enjoy these sweet treats guilt-free. Can you smell that? These cookies are golden brown and perfectly chewy, with a hint of sweetness that satisfies your cravings without the sugar crash. For our last makeover, we're reinventing a popular takeout dish: fried rice. Instead of greasy fried rice loaded with sodium, we're using quinoa as a protein-packed base and loading it up with colorful veggies for a nutritious twist on this classic dish. And there you have it. 3 healthy recipe makeovers that prove eating well doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. So the next time you're craving your favorite dish, remember, with a little creativity and some wholesome ingredients, you can enjoy the best of both worlds. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes and tips to nourish your body and soul. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking. Make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.